Okay, I think we're ready to go. Hi! Hello, what's up? You're watching Who's Jason.
I have an explanation.
I know that the videos are a bit late. I didn't upload something last week. I was going to, but it was a school vlog and it wasn't that good. I can give you a taste for it. If future Jason would love to put in some preview footage of what last week's vlog should have been. It's gonna be here. I don't think I'll get much actually filmed at school because I'm a little bitch. So the gamepad, that's loud, and I'm gonna make mee goreng. Later, Mom. I just go to the Vine. I don't know how I feel about that.
I was gonna make him.
Am I talking to me? So that didn't work out. What I am gonna do though is make bubble tea in my new house.
That's me. Hello.
Yes. If you know me personally, you'd know that can I say this on the internet? I am a whore. No, I'm not gonna go that far. I love bubble tea, but what I haven't done yet is made bubble tea at home. I have made milk tea with Earl Grey. I've made milk tea, iced milk tea before at home. I brought it to school several times in the Starbucks cup that's usually made for iced coffee. But I was at the Asian store once. You know, because I am Asian. And I saw this and thought, you know what? I could probably make my own bubble tea, and maybe it won't be as expensive as it is in like Gongcha or 7-Up or Tea Origin, you know? Because like, I don't want to spend so much money on good drinks, on good beverages. When I mention good drinks, people are probably gonna think of like alcohol and stuff, but I'm not that bad. So today we're gonna make bubble tea, but we're gonna actually be focusing on the pearls. And we're gonna make it in my new kitchen. You're not getting a house tour just yet. So, to begin with, we have tapioca pearls. Yeah. We also have almond milk and some tea that I made this morning, which is probably disgusting at this point. So, I have instructions to make pearls on my iPad. I went on Pinterest to see if I can find anything that could help. Didn't work out. So I had Google do that for me. Step 1. Boil water. Make sure there's a minimum of 7 parts water to 1 part tapioca. What the hell does that mean? Let's try making 7 cups of water to 1 cup of tapioca. This isn't gonna be exact, it's not an exact science, but you know what? Are we about the exact sciences here at Cooking with Jason? No, we're not. How many cups is that? Let's go with 4. That's really heavy. Oh no, we need 7 cups. I'm sorry, I'm stupid. Perfect! What the fuck? Sorry. Now we're gonna cut this open and pour it somewhere. No, no, yes. They smell so weird. That feels like a lot. Pour tapioca into boiling water. When water achieves a rolling boil, pour in the tapioca pearls. That means I should have been boiling them earlier. Oh my god. So how have you guys been?
I swear to God I wasn't born to fight, but everything but my legs won't work, it's clear to me. As being put through this hell feeling, I think that I'm living so rash and unforgiving.
Shotgun your car. We are always running away. But we're gonna be. They don't want us to be great. No. They don't want us to be. They don't want us to be great. But we're gonna be. They don't want us to be great.
I woke up in Japan, feeling lonely. Just a dream.
Alexa! Stop. Okay. Alexa just won't listen to me. Stir lightly so that it doesn't stick to the bottom. Am I stirring too much? I don't know if I'm stirring too much. I don't know what's happening. I think I already messed up. That's fine. I'm not surprised. It's cooking with Jason. We learn from our mistakes. Cook for 15 minutes on high heat with cover on. Okay. Alexa, set a timer for 15 minutes.
15 minutes, starting now.
This camera is running out of battery, so that's not a good thing. Why do I look like bread? Alexa, how many minutes left on the timer?
You have 12 minutes left on your 15-minute timer.
Hi, so welcome to my vlogging camera now. My other camera just died, so now we're here. I can actually show you guys what's happening now. So, that's... Yeah, Alexa, how many minutes left on that timer?
You have 7 minutes and 40 seconds left on your 15-minute timer.
Yeah, so it's not really doing so great. Alexa.
6 minutes and 20 seconds. No.
Alexa.
5 minutes and 30 seconds.
Alexa.
3 minutes and 10 seconds.
Alexa.
2 minutes and 40 seconds.
Alexa probably hates me. Do you hate
Sorry,
me?
I don't know that one.
Alexa.
At 1 minute and 40 seconds.
Alexa.
10 seconds.
Time to get ready. So the next step is the next step is no. The next step is to let it sit for another 15 minutes. Alexa, drain the water from the cooked tapioca. Run lukewarm or cold water over the pearls and drain the water from them. looks like. It's kind of gross. Scratch that. We'll be back when it's actually properly cooked. See you in a bit. And we're back. Now we just gotta... Now we can move on to the actual next step. Pour tapioca into a container and cover it in sugar syrup or brown sugar. I don't have any sugar syrup, nor do I have brown sugar. What I do have is honey. That is a sugar syrup, right? Wait, that's ASMR. Yeah, I think I put too much honey. Next thing to do now is to just serve it, so. I don't have ice. Now for the final reveal. They're a bit chewy. I definitely messed it up, but the tea's alright though. Try. Got one positive review. I could basically open up a bubble tea shop now. So, if you guys enjoyed it, if you enjoyed my my mess up today, drop a like, drop a comment, leave some tender love and subs, and I'll see you someday. Yeah. Am I in focus? I don't know if I'm in focus. I don't know. Bye.
What? Okay naman na.
They're so hard though.